Imagine a world reshaped by AI, governments ruled by algorithms, and human organs printed like newspapers. Sounds like science fiction? These could be real by 2026. In today's video, we unveil 8 jaw-dropping predictions that may become reality within the next year. Welcome to CurioBurst. Prediction number 1. AI personal assistants take over daily life. By 2026, AI assistants like ChatGPT won't just answer your emails. They'll schedule your life, run your finances, and even provide emotional support. Microsoft and Google are racing to make them more human than ever. The question is, will we still be in control? Prediction number 2. Countries launch AI-powered politicians. Taiwan and Estonia are already experimenting with AI in politics. But in 2026, we could see the first AI-powered political candidate with real decision-making power. Will voters trust a code over a candidate? Prediction number 3. Quantum computing breakthroughs threaten internet security. With companies like IBM and Google on the brink of quantum supremacy, 2026 might be the year when today's encryption becomes obsolete. Your bank password? Hackable in seconds. Cybersecurity will have to evolve or collapse. Prediction number 4. Space tourism opens to regular people. 2026 might be the year that average citizens begin taking suborbital joyrides. With SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic expanding fast, space tourism could go from elite fantasy to vacation reality. Prediction number 5. Digital clones of celebrities and influencers. Deepfakes are just the beginning. In 2026, fans may interact with digital clones of their favorite celebrities, performing live shows, endorsing products, even holding conversations. And here's the kicker. Some may be more popular than their real counterparts. Prediction number 6. Organs 3D printed on demand. Biotech companies are closing in on printing kidneys, livers, and even hearts. In 2026, the first on-demand 3D printed organ transplant might become a reality. It could end donor waiting lists and raise some huge ethical questions. Prediction number 7. Climate engineering gets real. With climate change escalating, 2026 could be the tipping point where we start hacking the Earth. Geoengineering projects like space mirrors and cloud seeding might become necessary, or dangerous experiments we can't take back. Prediction number 8. Rise of emotionally intelligent AI therapists. In a world where mental health support is scarce, AI therapists may become the norm. In 2026, emotionally aware AI could offer personalized therapy 24/7, backed by data, empathy, and algorithms. Which prediction blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you're ready to explore more futuristic revelations and curious truths, subscribe to CurioBurst and stay one step ahead of reality.